Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I think this is gonna be the last try that I make this video. I think this is the third time that I'm making this video for the Milani Conceal Perfect foundation. I noticed in my other videos I was very shy and really awkward, so I'm hoping that I'm not like this time. My eyeshadow tutorial that I have yet to put up, I'm kind of like that, but I'm kind of like trying to take out the parts where I'm like super awkward and just like in the mirror looking and not like looking at the camera because I'm shy. I'm usually not, I mean, depending on who I'm around, I can be shy, but like if I'm with my friends or my family, I'm not shy at all. So trying to break this awkwardness today. So I'm going to go and do a review of this foundation. I've actually worn it a couple of times and I kind of have my own opinion on it. So let's see what the claims are first. So it says that it is medium to full coverage, lightweight, and it's an oil-free formula. It's long wearing, water resistant, and sweat proof. So I have worn it probably, okay, so I wore it today. I've worn it for like 3 days pretty much. And usually I can get a pretty good idea of how a foundation's going to be for me in just a couple of days because of how my skin is. I know how it works. The first time I put it on, I didn't really like it that much. I can't remember. I think it was like I think it was kind of patchy a little bit. And then I wore it yesterday and it looked really good when I first put it on. And I took a couple pictures of myself wearing it and I noticed it was not long after I put it on either. So I put on this primer underneath and I know how it works, so I do like this primer. And it's supposed to help minimize pores and fill them in and all that kind of stuff. Well, I had the foundation on and my pores around my nose and on my chin and kind of in this area were really emphasized, like a lot. And then there was also this like line right here that was happening. Today I wore it and it was kind of doing the same thing like in this area, not so much around here. It was doing a little bit around here and then the chin was kind of doing it a little bit still, but not as bad as yesterday. And I'm not gonna get any wear out of it tonight because it's actually, what time is it? 12:30 at night. So I'm probably not gonna get any wear out of it because I'm probably just gonna take it off and go to bed. But I really wanted to redo this video because of how bad, like that's really bad, the other videos. So I wanted to get this one out and hopefully it's a better version of what my video was. So maybe my mind will change after this video. I don't know, I'll update you guys. So far, not really a fan of it, but I'll kind of show you how I put it on and maybe you guys will put it on a different way and it'll work better for you, or you have a different kind of skin type and it'll work better for you. I don't know. I'll just demo it for you guys and then I'll wear it a few more times and then I'll update you guys in the description box if I have any other view on it. So first what I'm going to do is actually put the Brand's Pores No More Luminizer Primer in my T-zone area. So I'm just gonna take like this much and go here, 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 here. And this is exactly how I did it yesterday. The first time I think I just used moisturizer and like my setting spray as my primer. For my moisturizer I use the Calm Balm by Limelight by Alcone. It's a direct sales brand, so if you guys don't like that kind of stuff, you don't need to even worry about that, but that's just what I use. Okay, oh, almost forgot my nose. So I'm going to use a Beauty Blender sponge because I found that that works best for me. I just squirt a couple on the back of my hand and then I actually go in with the Beauty Blender and then do that. If I put it on my hand and then dot it around my face, I feel like I don't get as much coverage. I'm sure a lot of it is being soaked up into the sponge, but it's faster and it gives me coverage. I do have to use about 2.5 to 3 pumps of this to get like an almost full coverage face. So that's another thing you might want to keep in mind, is you might go through it more if you're wanting that like more full coverage face, because with one layer I can really still see my acne and scars through it, but after like the second layer it's pretty well concealed. So I'm just gonna do 1 pump, or I'm gonna do 2 pumps first. So there's that. It looks like a lot, but like I said, I'm sure a lot of it gets soaked up into the sponge, and I'm sure if you guys use a brush it might be different, so just depends on how you apply it. And right now it's actually looking okay. So I literally just used that 2 pumps for the bottom half of my face, and you can still see my acne right here. Let's see, you can still see my scars right in this area. So like I said, it might be different if you use a sponge, or not a sponge, but a brush. So just keep that in mind too. It just is all trial and error really when it comes to makeup, because not everything's gonna work for everybody. This coverage that I have right now, I would be happy with. I've just come to terms with the fact that I can see my acne through any foundation. I'm gonna use the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline. Well, now that I have that done, I am going to finish the rest of my face, and I will be back with my final thoughts. So I will see you guys back in just a few minutes. Alright guys, I am back with the finished look. So my thoughts are, it just looks really dry on my skin, which is weird because I have oily skin. Right up here is really scaly looking. I'm already starting to get like lines on the sides of my mouth, and it's already starting to build up here in my nose, and it's starting to already kind of do that thing in here. Yeah, I don't know you guys, I'm just really not feeling this foundation, and I used some cream products on top of it. So I have Mascara Beauty. It's just another makeup brand, and I was using these 2 contour colors, and it was not working well at all. And then I also used this blush color, and yeah, it just, I don't know, it just not working. The concealer worked really well on top of this foundation. I used this Fit Me powder for like my T-zone area, and then I used my Mascara Beauty Vanilla Dust for the rest of my face. And then I used my Cayman bronzer by Mascara Beauty. And sorry, my bronzer probably looks really crazy because I kind of did too much. My bad. I used Mascara Beauty Stay Spray, which is just like a regular setting powder. Or not. Setting spray. And then Limelight by Alcone Signature Lip Gloss in the color Grace. And then I used this, I don't even know how to say this word to be honest, lip liner in 955 Spice. No idea how to pronounce that name. If you want to try, you can go right ahead. And I used this It Cosmetics Brow Power, and the mascara was the L'Oreal Voluminous Curved Brush. So yeah, guys, this foundation, I just don't think it was really a win for me, which kind of is upsetting because I was really wanting it to work because, you know, I've heard so many good things about this foundation. So what I might like, you might not, and what you might not like, I might like. So it just depends on the person, their skin type, and how well they're taking care of their skin also. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments. I'm really wanting to know what you guys want to see in videos because I'm trying to like come up with things, but I want to make sure you guys actually want to watch them. So definitely let me know. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe. And also, when you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell because that will let you know when I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by and watching another one of my videos. Hopefully they get better after this point. But I love you guys and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye! Oh God, it's not Bluetooth.